Hey guys, so last, we already, I think I already uploaded the material to the drive, right, guys?
As well.
Yes, bro.
Okay, so download it, right? You, yes. So what we discussed in this day, so last class we discussed about something like the command, basic commands like cd. What is cd, guys? Change directory.
Change directory.
What is mkdir, guys?
Make
Making
direct.
it
Making a diagram.
making a directory. So in Windows, it call it as a
Folder.
New folder.
call it as folder. PWD. What is PWD, guys?
Present working directory.
Present working
Right.
directory.
Present working directory. What is you name hyphen R or name hyphen A to check the
Will display the kernel version.
Kernel
yes.
version.
Very good. Very good, guys. And so what we discussed LS. LS is nothing but a list of
Directory.
directories and files. It will shows a list of. It will display a list of directories and files. It will display list of directories and files. LL. So what is LL?
Long
Long
list.
list.
Long.
Long list.
Long list.
Long list. LS we have a
Hyphen LT.
options, guys. LS
LD.
hyphen
LD.
LRT, LS hyphen LT. It will display the
List.
directory list of directories,
Directory.
guys. Properties also. Properties also means the permissions, user permissions, owner permissions, and file permissions. It will display, guys. And so what we discussed, guys, cd cd slash right, and
Yes,
cd
bro.
cd
Dot.
also we discussed, cd hyphen cd, just a cd we discussed, right, guys? So we discussed these all are so directory handling tools, guys. These all are directory handling tools. So how you can find if it is a DAR a file, guys. If it is a DAR a file or a link file, for example. So how you can find it out, guys? How you can find if it is a directory or a file or a directory?
If the letter start with
Yeah, start with the hyphen.
it is file.
Yes, start with hyphen is nothing but a file.
And start with the L. It is a linked file.
Yes, it is a directory. So starts with L. It is a
List.
Linked
link.
linked file. Linked file.
Yes, linked. So these are we discussed, right, guys? So I already told you. So text processing tools. So what are the text processing tools? So what are the text processing tools? Text processing tools, guys. So what are the text processing tools? I already told you, right, guys? So day before yesterday, on Thursday, what we discussed about a directory and a file handling tools. But this is a a text. So how you can read the a document, how you can read the file, how you can read the. So this is a notepad. How you are writing, how you are reading this file. So this is the geo, right? That's that there is it will open something like a notepad. Directly it will open the notepad and you can write it or you can save it anything, right? Because of in Windows it is a GUI. But in Linux, so by Linux everything will get it through commands only. The text processing tools, so how you can create a text file, how you can create a file document, so how you can read the file, how you can write the file, how you can save, edit the files, guys. How you can read, save, edit files. So we have a three guys. So we have a three commands are there for reading and editing and modifying, creating the files, guys. One is touch.
That's
One is a touch. So the second one is cat. Third one is a VI or VIM. So what is touch? What is cat? What is VIM? Guys, so I want to read the file. I want to read the file. How you can read it in the Windows, for example. If it is so directly you can open it and read it. Right? Look. So directly you can open it and read. For example, for example. So for example, this is the document, guys. This is the document. Just it will open. Just it will double click. It will open, guys. It will open and it will read it. For example, this is a file. This is a file. How you can open? How you can read it? Just open it and read it. The same way, how you can read it and how you can open it in the read it and open it. So how you can create a file. So how you can create a file, guys? Open a notepad and write it in some save it, right? So for example, so this is the file. Save desktop. Yeah, something like morning batch students. Names. For example, I'm saving this. This is Hari, Funny, Vinay, Rafi, Jaitu, Lavanya, Sai. So, for example, this is the file I write it and I'm saving, save it. So then closing distance. So that file is already created and saved, right? The file is already created and saved. So how you can in Linux? So what is the command? The same command. So va is the command. Va is the command to create a file and modify or edit the up file, guys. Modify and edit the up file. Just a notepad. You can open the notepad. So without writing, just you can save it. Save it like empty a file. For example, guys. So by using this, so you created a file without data. Created a file without data. The same like a touch. Create a file without data. Without data, we can create a file by using the touch, guys. So we can create a file without data. We can create the file without data. So without data. So I want to read the file. How I can read it, guys? So here, so go to the desktop and iMac IT. So something like so this is morning batch. Just opened it. So I'm reading Hari, Fani, Vinay, Rafi. Right. So how you can read the oh, shit. So what is that, guys? Text processing tools. So what are the text processing tools, guys? Tell me. Text processing tools. One is
Touch.
touch. Second one is cat. Third one is
VI.
VAR. VAM.
VIM.
So VA means a visible editor. Touch is means touch. You can create a file without data. So by using touch, you can create a file without data. Syntax is touch file name. Touch file name. Example. Touch. So touch hari.txt. For example, hari.txt. So we can create the file without data. We can create the file without a data. So cat is using for this command. This command is used for to read the content of the file. To read the content of the file. To read the file or to read the content of the file. So I already told you, right, guys, how you can check it. VAR, VAM. So you can create a file with the data. What is that, guys? You can create a file with the data and edit, modify the edit and modify the file. So edit and modify the file. So for example, guys, example, syntax of this cat file name. Cat file name. Example, guys. For example, cat var log messages. Var log messages. Messages is the file, guys. Messages is the file. So how you can create a file with data? So vi syntax vi a file name or example. So vi hari.txt or vi mm, or something like document.cfg. CFG means configuration file or vi files.cnf conf. So you can create the files, guys. You can create the files and you can edit the can create the files and you can edit the files. Guys, now you understood a text processing tools. So what is text processing tools? Text processing is tool for to read the file, to edit the file, to modify the file, to modify the files, to modify the files and to create to read to modify to edit the files. So these are the text processing tools, guys. Now you understood. So touch, you can create the file without data. Cat, this command is used for to read the content of the file. So vivm, you can create the file with the data and edit modify the files. Edit modify the files, guys. Understood.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is a very
Thank you.
most important, guys. Everyone can use these commands in the real time every day. Real time in the every day. Guys, please practice. Okay. I think day three, right? Day three, 55. So Oracle virtual machine. So is anyone pending for installing the OS, guys? Guys, so from now onwards, from today onwards, what you guys can do? So every day you guys can remove the OS. Every day you guys can remove from delete, remove from here, and you can install the new OS. So every day, something like this week, these 5 days, you guys can remove every day and install. remove every day and install. Okay. You guys can remove the OS and install the OS. Remove the OS and install the OS. So I
Okay,
need
bro.
at least 10 times. Everyone can delete it. Everyone can delete it and reinstall the OS, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So if you are doing one time, right, you will not get more clarity about the how to install the OS. So if you are practicing number of times, it will be easy, guys. It will be easy to understand how we can install the OS. Okay. So last week I edited the file, right? I edited the file and I got the IP address and I connected through the putty. Today I will show you how to connect the putty. Okay. So I forgot the IP address, guys. For peeing, I am connecting from here. Once I got the IP address, I am connecting through the putty. So what is the IP address? 192.168.56.103. 103. Yeah, I'm connecting through putty, guys. So every day, so how you are connecting your uh, our servers, guys? So you are connecting your servers through the
Putty.
putty only. So that's the reason I'm habituating every day putty only, guys. So please connect from today onwards. From today onwards, you guys can connect with the putty only. Yeah, open it. Wait. 192.168.56.103. 103. 103. T 192.168.53.106.
103,
106.
bro. 103, actually, it
Yes,
is.
yes, yes. Putty 192.168.56.103. Yes. Root to red. Change the settings. Appearance. Change. Old 18. Yes. Guys. Understood, right? Yeah. Are able to see, right? What is this, guys? Commands are touch.
No.
TOUCH. Touch array.txt. So what is touch, guys? So touch is nothing but we can create the file. We can create the file without data. So it can just create the file without data. ls. So there is no data, right? You are not added any data into that file. But how you can read the file, guys? How you can read the file? So what is the command?
Using cat.
How you can read the file? Cat. So cat. What is the file we created just now? array.txt. Is there any data is there? It will be. Is it showing anything?
No, bro.
No, right?
Yeah.
So something like cat. What is the example I told you, guys? What is the example I told you? Cat var log messages. So cat var log messages. Cat var log messages. Yeah. Are you able to see the right? Are you able to see the data? Are you
Yes.
able to read the file?
Yes, bro.
Guys, are you able to read the file or not?
Yeah, bro. We can read.
Yes, right. So cat. So what is the cat, guys? Cat is used for to to read the
To read
file,
the
to
files.
read the content of the file, to read the file. So touch is nothing but you just create the file without the data. You just create the file without data, without data. VI or VIM. So what is VI or VIM, guys? So VI is nothing but a
To create the
visual editor, visual editor. So we can
file using with the data.
yes, yes, it is very good. You guys are practicing these commands, right? Hey guys, touch cat VI VAM, right? So VI or VAM. So what is VI? VI is nothing but a visual display editor. So what is VI guys? So VI is a visual display editor. VAM is nothing but a visual display editor improved. Just VI is started. So VAM is the advanced version. VAM is nothing but a visual display editor improved. This command mode so editor of for files. Other editors in Linux are Emacs, gedit. So VI editor is the most popular. So which editor is most popular guys? VA is the most popular. It has three commands, guys. It has a three modes. It has a three modes. One is command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So what is that, guys? So these are having three modes. What are those modes? So command, insert,
Command
execution, or extended mode. Guys, everyone can speak out. So how many modes are there in VA?
three.
We
Three
have
Three
a
modes.
modes.
three
Command
modes.
command insert execution.
Very good.
Execution.
Very good. Very good. So command mode, insert mode, and execution are a extended mode. So what these three are modes? Why we are using these three modes for creating a file? Yes, yeah. So when I click VI file name, so
Mm.
VI or VI file name, just it open the command mode. It open the command mode.
Command.
So in the command mode, we cannot do anything. In the command mode, so we cannot do anything. So if you want to insert the data, if you want to insert the data in the file or a document or a text file, so you can press the AIO. So if you want to go from, so just open the command mode. You just open a file. So it is in the command mode. In the command mode, you cannot edit, you cannot mod, or you cannot add anything. So if you want anything in the file, definitely you need to move to insert mode from command mode to insert mode. How you can go to the insert mode? By press I button. By press I button in the keyboard, it will move to insert mode. So insert mode, in the insert mode, you can write it something and you want to save the file, right? You want to save the data. So how you can save it? You cannot save the file from insert to directly to the save. So execution or extended mode. In the execution mode or extended mode, we can save the file. So directly we cannot move from insert to execution. So we need to go back to command mode. We need to go from insert mode to command mode. Then again from command mode to you need to go to the insert mode, the execution mode. You can save the file and you can exit. You can exit from the execution mode and command mode. You guys understood? So what are the modes? A command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So what is the purpose of the command mode? The command mode, we cannot do anything. So we cannot write, modify, edit any file. So if you want to modify or if you want to edit a file or if you want to add any data in the file, so definitely you need to go to the from command mode to insert mode. By pressing I, you can go to the insert mode. So after adding the data, you cannot directly save the file. So where you can save the file, you can save the file in the execution mode. So you cannot directly save the file from the, you cannot directly go from the insert mode to execution mode. It is not possible. So you need to go to back to command mode. From command mode to you need to come the execution mode. How you can come from command mode? So again command mode to execution mode. Shift plus colon. Shift button plus colon. It will shows the shift button on WQ. I will show you guys. So this is the execution mode. So now you understood, right, guys? Yeah. So in the insert mode, what is I? It is begin insert mode at the cursor position. Insert at the beginning of the file. Append to the next words letter. Append to the end of the line. Insert a new line below the cursor position. To insert a new line above the cursor position. These are the commands in the insert mode. These are the commands work in the insert mode. So what is the command mode? So guys, in the command mode, what are the commands you can execute? You can execute the command mode. GG. So small g is nothing but to go to the beginning of the page. Capital G is nothing but a to go to the end of the page. To go to the end of the page. So end of the page, to move the cursor forward word by word, to move cursor backward word by word, to move the cursor forward on n number of words. So to move the cursor backwards, to undo the latest changes. So paste the changes, W to delete the words, X is nothing but to delete the word by letter, DD is nothing but to delete the entire line, NDD is nothing but to delete the number of lines, slash is nothing but a search, YY is nothing but a copy, P is nothing but a paste. I will show you guys, no worries. So extended modes, what are the commands? In the extended mode is used to save, quit or save without quit using the key with escape key with colon, escape key with colon, escape plus colon W to save the changes, escape plus Q, escape plus colon Q to quit without saving. So to save the changes, WQ is repeated to save and quit it, to save the forcefully, to save and quit forcefully, WQ exclamatory, X to save and quit. So capital X to give the password to the file and remove the password. You see, right? Some of the PDF files, if you download the something like the history, the bank statement or the Aadhaar card, right, guys? So they will protect with the a password. How you can set the password in the line X? You can set the password in the line X by using the capital X. To go to the line number 20, set the line numbers. To remove the line numbers. So these are the extended mode. These are the extended mode commands. Uh, these are the command mode commands. These are the insert mode commands. Guys, understood? Just I will tell you. So vi array.txt. What is that file, guys? So I'm creating a file with data. So which command you can use, guys? You can use the command vi or vam. Vi or vam. I will show you. So vi or vam command. So what is the command, guys? Vim. So vam command not found. You guys you can use. Vi is there, but you can use it. Vi command. So vi. So now I am in the which mode, guys? So once you enter into the a file, once you type the file and hit enter, so you are in the which mode? It comes.
Command.
Command
Uh,
mode.
so command mode, in the command mode, you cannot do anything. You cannot add, you cannot edit, you cannot modify anything. So how you can edit the file, guys? How you can add the file, data into the
Insert
file?
mode.
You want to go from
Insert
command
mode.
mode to insert
Insert
mode.
mode.
How you can go to the insert mode? Press in the keyboard, press I. It will go to the insert mode. So I'm pressing the I button in the keyboard, guys. Yes, I'm pressed in the I button in the keyboard. You see, guys, in the below. So what it will shows? So it shows the insert. You can insert the data. So this is a this is a file. This is a file we are creating. We are creating it a first time. First time. Yes, guys. I add the data into the file. I add the data into the file. Just I want to save this file. I want to save the file. So in the insert mode, are you able to so go from insert mode to execution mode because of how you so where I can save the file. You can save the file in the extended mode or execution mode, right? Save and keep the files. But here, so we cannot directly go from insert to execution mode. Again, we want to go from insert to command, then from command to execution mode. Command to execution mode. From insert to so yeah. So we edited the so now I started the command mode. Then I go to the insert mode. I added the data. So I want to save the data. How you can save it, guys? By using press escape button. I want to go back to command mode. How you can go to the command mode? You can go to the command mode by using the press escape button. In our keyboard, there is in the left left corner there is a escape button is there, right, guys? Are you able to see the right escape button in the left top, the starting button, guys? Escape, esc button. Guys, are able to see or not?
Yeah, yes, bro.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
L keyboard, laptop keyboard. Yeah. So this is the button, guys. This is the button. Are you able to see, right? So this is the a button. Yeah. So this is the button, guys. This is the button, escape button. Are you able to see? So this is the button. You can press it. It will go to, it will go to again from insert mode to execution
Command
mode.
mode.
I'm pressing,
Command
yeah,
mode.
command mode. Sorry. So I'm pressing, yeah. I just now pressed the escape. Yeah, you see, guys, it removed the insert. So I am in the which mode, guys? Now I am in the
Command
command
mode.
mode. So I want to go to from command mode to execution mode. So what is the command, guys? Shift. So there is a
Plus
shift
colon.
button, right? Shift plus
Colon.
colon. You can directly press the shift plus colon. Shift colon. Yeah, you see, guys. You see here? Yeah, there is a colon comes. So how we can save the file? You can save the file.
by
So shift colon W means just to save the changes. Q means quit without changes. WQ means save and quit. So W exclamatory means just to save forcefully. WQ exclamatory to save and quit forcefully. So which command we are using, guys? Save and quit forcefully. WQ exclamatory save quit forcefully. Yes. Let's check it. LS. You see, guys? So Hari.txt file is created. Hari.txt file is created. So ls cat. How you can read the file, guys, by using cat. So Hari.txt. So this is a file. So we are creating it first time. So we are creating it first time. Guys, right? Now you understood?
Yes, bro.
Yes,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So I'm adding data into this file only. I'm modifying it data into this a file only. So how you can modify, guys? You can modify or create, modify anything by using VA. So VA is the most important command, guys. Yeah. So I'm in the command mode. So I want to go to the insert mode by press I in the keyboard. This is the file. Adding second line. Adding third line, adding fourth line, adding fifth line, adding sixth line. Yes, guys, I modified the file. I modified the file. So you see, guys, so I'm in the insert mode. I want to save the file. So where I can go, guys? Again, I can go to directly, I can go to the execution mode or I want to go to the command mode.
You go to the command mode.
Command mode. So how we can go to the command mode?
escape. That's it.
By press escaping. You see, this is insert mode. I'm pressing escape button. I'm pressing escape button. Now I am in the which mode, guys? Command
Command
mode.
mode.
Now I am in the command mode. So I want to go to the execution mode. What is the how we can go to the execution mode,
To
guys?
plus
Shift
colon.
colon. Yeah. So this time I don't want to save the file. I don't want to save the data. How you can save it, guys? How you can? So I don't want to save the data. I don't want
W
to save the data. What is that, guys? Q is nothing but a to quit without saving changes. Yes, I am. I'm quitting without changes. Without changes. Shift colon. Now I am in the execution mode. In the execution mode, we can save the files. So I'm not saving the file. Cat hari.txt. So what is the content is there, guys? So what is the content is there in in this file? Is adding first line, second line, third line, fourth line
No,
is
bro.
available. No, right?
No, bro. This is
So
the
something like
file we are creating it first time. That's
yes, yes, because of that file we added the data, but we
haven't
cannot save.
saved. Yeah, we
Cannot
haven't
save
saved.
the yes, we haven't save the file. So that's the reason So the data is not showing. The data is not showing. Guys, understood? Yeah. So vi slash etc, vi slash ls, uh, vi slash etc. Already messages file is there, right? Guys? Slash etc var log messages. So this is the file, guys. I'm opening this file, guys. I open this file. You see? So in this file, so this is the content. This is the content, right, guys? So this is the content is there. So I want to, and now I am in the which mode, guys? I'm in the command mode. So I'm in the command mode. Yeah, guys. So command mode, I want to just to press GZ to go to the beginning of the page. Let's see. I'm in the middle of the page. Just I'm pressing GZ. If it is going to a starting page or not. Let's. Yes, you see, guys. There is no cursor is going up. This is the starting page. Just I'm pressing the small GG. Next, I'm pressing the uh, capital G to go to the end of the page. Let's check, guys. So shift plus G is nothing but a capital G. Yeah, you see, guys. So there is no. So I'm pressing down arrow. So there is no data in the down. So this is the end of the file. So capital G, small gz, you press double times gg, you see, guys. So I'm in the starting of the file. I shift G, I'm in the ending of the file. I'm in the ending of the up file. So W to move the cursor forward word by word, to move the cursor backward word by word, to move the cursor forward n words means 5 words. So NB is to move the backward cursor 5B. So hyphen U is nothing but undo the last changes. Undo the last changes. So I'm in the end of the file. So I'm in the command mode. I want to go to the insert mode. Press I. Yes. Just I'm going to insert mode. I want to go to the insert mode. Then I'm adding something. This is the no, this is a new line. I'm I'm adding it the system log. I'm adding it in the system log. This is a new line. So again I'm in the insert mode, right? I'm going to the command mode. Yes, I'm in the command mode. Yes, I'm in the command mode. I'm in the command mode. Something is right at least. That's the reason. So I added something like LGG. So you can use the command U to undo the last changes. You see? So undo the last changes. So undo the last changes. Control Z, right? So you want to remove the undo the changes by using Control Z, right? In the Windows. The same like U is the to undo the changes. Yeah. So here, copy a line, copy the lines, paste the lines. I will show you this one here. Delete the word letter by letter. DD is nothing but to delete the entire letter. NDD is nothing but to delete file. So search is nothing, slash is nothing but a search, guys. I want to search the file. I press search in the command mode. So what is that, guys? System. I'm searching the system. You see, guys. This way is system. You see, guys, system. It is such as the system. It searches the press n by n is nothing but a next. N is nothing but a press n is nothing but a next. How many systems are there? Okay. Again escape. So I want to go to the end of the page. I want to delete this line, guys. How you can delete this, right? So I'm in the command mode by pressing the DD commands. Just press the DD. Yeah. So it is removed. So 5 DD. It removed the 5. So DD. So 5 DD. So it removes the data. Just I want to, so without save the file. Just hit, the changes will not delete it, guys. The changes is not deleted. You see? So April 7, 2208, 08 is there. So right, guys. So this is the command mode, guys. So this is the command mode. You can paste it, copy it. You guys can practice. So now you understood, right? This is the extend mode in the save the files. Save the files. So here I want to set here. So you want to go to the line number 20, set the line numbers or remove the line. I will show you this. Yeah. Shift colon, because of I want to go to the execution mode, then set NU. Set NU is nothing but set the line number. You see, guys. So how many line numbers are there? 6,000, 6,463 line numbers are there. So I'm just going to GC press J. Yeah, now I'm in the first line. Now I'm in the first line of the page. Now I'm in the first line of the page. Guys, understood? So you want to set the line numbers. How you can set the line numbers? By using shift colon set NU. I want to remove the line numbers. How you can remove, guys? Shift colon set no NU. No NU means, so NU means numbers. No NU means no numbers. You see, there is no numbers. Removes, line numbers are removed. Line numbers are removed. Removed. Guys, understood? So this is the file edit, guys. So now you understood how to edit the file, right? Yeah. I will show you one command. You guys can edit the files. Yeah. Now you understood the text processing tools. Hmm. How you can set the IP address of of the VM. So what is which VM, guys? CentOS 7 VM. So whatever you install, right? That that is the, guys. So that is the one you guys can set the IP address. How you can set the IP address? Before you don't know the how to edit the file. How to edit the file. Yes, understood? So how you can set the IP address of your Windows VM. So guys, the file is, so what you created, you added adapters, right, guys? We added the adapters. We added these three adapters, right, guys? So you added these three adapters, adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3. These are the IP address of the, these are the IP addresses. Adapter 1, adapter 2, adapter 3. So these are the three adapters, guys. So one adapter is, guys, NPS 0, NPS 0 S3. So one is NPS 0 S3, NPS 0, sorry, guys, NPS 0. So NPS 0, 8, the third adapter is ENPS 0, 9. So these are the three adapters, guys. These are the three adapters. We need to set the IP address of these three adapters. Is right? Yeah. You see, guys. So ENPS, yeah, you see ENPS 0 S3, ENPS 0 S8, ENPS 0 S9. So the IP address is 192.168.56.103, 192.168.107.109. So ENPS 10.0.2.15. So you guys, if you press the, guys, if you are pressing the IP space A, so IP space A in our laptop, in our server, you will not get the these IP addresses. How you can get the IP address? I will show you guys. How you can get the IP address. So how you can, you guys are added three adapters, right? One is NAT bridged host only. So NAT bridged host only. So how you can get the IP address? You can use the VI. Why we are using UI, guys? Guys, so why you guys are using VI? So these all are the files. These all are the files. The files are there in the which directories? CD slash etc sysconfig network hyphen script network hyphen scripts. This is the directory, guys. You guys can go to the directory. In this directory, which directory, guys? cd/etc sysconfig network hyphen scripts. Yeah. So this is the /etc cd sysconfig network hyphen script. You guys can go to this directory. You guys can go to this directory and yeah. So you are in the which directory, guys? You are in the etc sysconfig network hyphen script. So ls, you can press the ls. You see, guys, how many files are there? These are the files, guys. ll, you see, ll, yeah. The starting letter is hyphen, right? These three are the files. Or this, these three are the
Files.
files. So this is are the files. How you can edit the file, guys? How you can edit the file? vi ifcfg hyphen enp 0s3. Once you press the this one, how you can edit the file, guys? You can edit the file by using vi ifcfg enps0s3. So if you press, now you are in the command mode. Now you are in the command mode. You want to go to the insert mode. Press I. Yes, you are in the, now you are in the insert mode. Here, so I think in our system, onbit equal to, in our system, onbit equal to no. So you can remove this no and you can press the yes. You can press the yes. Then you want to save the file. Escape, shift colon, WQ, exclamatory. Right? The same way you can do it on the 8. 8, you can go to the, so now you are in the command mode. You can go to the insert mode. You can type the, you can remove the no. You can remove the no. You can, so if I think no is there, you can remove it and you can type the yes and escape, shift colon, WQ. Again, you need to go to the 9. You are in the command mode. Go to the insert mode. Remove no and press type yes, escape, shift colon, WQ. Next, yeah, you modified 3, right? On boot equal to no equal to yes. So what you can set? On boot equal to, so no, remove no and type yes and save and quit the file. Yeah, do same like for 3 adapters and reboot the machine or server or VM or CentOS 7 by using which command, guys? So which command to restart the server? Init 6. So init 6. Guys, understood? Once rebooted the machine, then login your mission, login your mission and check the IP space A. You will get the IP address same like same like we'll get the, once you reboot the server, once it is reboot the server by using init init 6, init space 6, you press that, it will reboot the machine. I will show you init 6, it will reboot the machine. Then you can press the button IP space A. You will get the IP address like this. You will get the IP address like this. Yeah, guys, input T cannot cannot copy it. Just select it. It will automatically copy, guys. Will automatically copy. Yeah. So this is the IP address you are getting NPS 03. So 10.0.29. Then NPS 08. This is the 8. What is the IP address we are getting? So then NPS 09. We are getting the IP address 192.168.56. This may be a different 101 or 102, 103, whatever it may be, guys. You will get, if you are first time right, you will get the 101. You will get it a 101. So this is the IP address you are getting. Copy it. So this is the IP address, whatever it may be, guys. Maybe a 101 or 102, whatever it may be. So after that, you download the download the putty and install the putty. Install the putty and login from login from putty, guys. Okay, understood? So how can download the putty.org. So go to the downloads. Yeah. So in the 64-bit, right? You guys can click it, it automatically download. So once it is downloaded, you just press and just press double click, right? It automatically install. It automatically install, and once installed, you just press type here something like a putty. Yeah, it will open the putty. Putty the open up, then you can press the 192 dot. So 168.56 dot, for example, 103 or 106, 101 or right, 103, then open. So through which protocol it is connecting, guys? So SSH protocol and 222 is the port number. So we are interacting with the server which is in data center. So then login as a root. Password is filtered. Yes, guys, it is logged in, right? You guys practice well on the test processing tools and you guys do this task, guys. So this is the task for you guys today. So what is the task, guys? So this is the task for you guys. Task 1. How to set the IP, how to set the IP address on your virtual machine, on your virtual machine. Guys, now you understood the task?
Yes, bro.
Yes, right? Yeah, you guys can complete it by tomorrow. I will check it, guys. I will check it on everyone's. So who are left, guys? Who are left to install the? So how many of you installed the Linux OS, guys? Yes, how many of you pending? So when you did, right?
Yeah,
Chaitya, you did, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So the Siva Venkata Sai, did you done your virtual VM installations? Shiva Venkata Sai,
Yes, bro.
you already installed.
Yeah, yes.
Did you watch the recordings?
Yeah. I just watched the recordings also.
Okay, okay. So when you done Lavanya, what about you? Lavanya, did you install your VM on your virtual machine? Fanendra 2, Fanendra 1, Fanendra 2.
Yeah,
Rafi,
I've
you did
also
right?
done.
yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rafi, you did right? Venkat, I think. So
Yeah,
Venkat, you got the new laptop?
done, Hari.
Done, na?
I get that. Yes, done.
Okay, thank you guys. Guys, from now onwards, you guys can just start our start our mission. So start our mission and you will get the IP address. Then minimize this one and from 40 you guys can log into the session, guys. Log into your virtual mission and practice the commands. So why we are using putty? It is very easy and so you the remote. So every missions, all the missions, all the servers are located in the either data center or else cloud. You cannot log in directly. You can log in through putty only, right? Guys,
Yes, yes.
practice from now onwards. Please practice all the commands, guys. Day before
Yes.
yesterday commands, today commands, every commands you can start. You can practice in the putty, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you. So we'll continue from tomorrow. There is no class, guys. Tomorrow is a holiday, right?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Who want? Who doesn't want, guys?
It's only for 1 hour, right? So you can continue.
Only for. So I'm okay with taking the classes, but guys, the initial, right? You guys take a leave. So Ugadi is the big festival, right, guys?
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So so from not a next week, from second, third week onwards, I will take the something like sessions, guys, real time sessions with the tasks, guys. Okay.
Okay.
So whatever we completed in the from Monday to Friday, right? I will ask on the Saturdays because of so we will not something like we will not disturb on these classes, guys. So I will give you the tasks on from next week onwards, I think, every day. So the task will check it on the weekends, guys. Okay. And
Sure.
we'll
Okay,
start
bro.
the
Yeah,
real time scenarios on the weekends also.
sure,
So we
sure.
can plan it, guys. At least 1 day, 1 hour on weekends. So either Saturday or Sunday. So whatever you guys are comfortable with that timings, we will schedule a one meeting. So every weekend that day, so we will take the session, guys.
Sure.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. Everyone will get the knowledge, guys. Please practice. Please practice. Okay.
Okay.
Sure, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.